Let's come outside, have a cup of coffee. And I look over. And look what I see. How beautiful. We've got a small mob of roos. Very dark backs. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're very close to the house. Have you been leaving the kangaroos alone, Cleo? Oh, they're gorgeous ones. And there they go. I've actually just had to tell hubby, because he's on his way home, to just be careful up the driveway, because we've got some more roos hanging around at the moment. All that heat yesterday, and today we've had nothing but rain. Isn't that right, Cleo? There's still one little one down there watching. Hello. Hello. You've been out here watching the kangaroos? Have you? Cleo? Yeah, you're naughty. You can come inside. And he's still down there.